Good day again. We are the Omis, and this is our fourth Arduino project, the fading light. This project makes an LED gradually brighten and dim, creating a smooth fading effect. It's a simple but visually appealing demonstration of PWM or pulse width modulation. As with our previous projects, our team members are Lira Mark Christian, Tardy Mark Vincent, and me, Moika Denverjan. We work together to assemble and code this fading light project. A fading light is an LED that doesn't just turn on or off instantly but instead changes brightness smoothly over time. This effect is achieved using PWM, a technique where the Arduino sends rapid pulses of power to control how bright the LED appears to our eyes. For this project, we use the same breadboard setup and components as projects number 1 and 2. Arduino Uno board, breadboard, LED, 220 ohm resistor, jumper wires, and a USB cable for programming. This is our circuit diagram. Very simple, just like in project 1 and 2. The LED's positive leg is connected to one of the Arduino's PWM pins, in our case pin 9, through a resistor, and the negative leg is connected to ground. Our code uses the analog write function to send different brightness levels to the LED. In the loop function, we gradually increase the brightness from 0 to 255, then decrease it back to 0. This creates the fading effect. The delay between brightness changes controls how fast or slow the fade happens. Here's a video of us connecting the LED to Arduino and uploading the code. And here's the result, a smooth and continuous fading LED effect made possible by Arduino's PWM capability. In conclusion, the Fading Light project shows how we can control LED brightness smoothly using Arduino's PWM feature. We learned how small changes in code and timing can create visually appealing effects. This project also builds on our earlier LED projects, showing us more possibilities for controlling light in creative ways.